April 1937, Gorman Brothers of Dublin imported and assembled Ireland's first completely knockdown Morgan 4-4 car. The Morgan 4-4 was the company's first four-wheel car and available in 2- and 4-door models. The 4-4 model was manufactured up until 2018 and had an ash body and 2 spare wheels. Power came from a 10 horsepower 4-cylinder Coventry Climax engine. Gorman Brothers assigned their Morgan chassis number 265 and registration ZC1176. 4 Morgans were built by Gormans in 1937 and 3 of them entered the 1937 Leinster Trophy at Tala, Dublin. The 3 Morgans were given favourable handicaps. The race was won by Des McCracken driving his Morgan 4-4. Further wins came in the Ulster Trophy and Gormans promoted their car. Each week, we love bringing you our videos on Irish transport past and present, but we need your support to do so. Please sponsor us via the Ireland Made website for just €2 per month. Keep watching Ireland Made.